Union Pacific load of coal train.
Yeah, you're gonna run, yeah. He's gonna make the loop. He's gonna make the loop.
Like, they hauled in about 40 cars. It wasn't very many. It was a while minutes ago. Right before you got here, the train coming one end, and I said, oh, this is interesting. What all these pulling? Probably had 40 empty coal cars.
Guess who's up here Friday?
Who was here Friday?
Kitty's husband. Me and him got some trains Friday.
Kitty's
The guy from Indiana.
Is that Katie's husband?
Yeah. Or Katie.
Oh, he was here when I was here for a while.
I was up here Friday. He's up here getting a hair unit, is what he's doing.
There's been 2 heritage units here today already. No, there's been 4 heritage units here today.
Oh, wow.
There's been 2 on NS, there's been 2 on CSX.
Which 2 was on CSX?
One of them was the Western Maryland, and the other one was the CNO, the Chessie system.
Oh, I missed it. I'll get him again.
I bet he's going to come in the yard. You know how bad that car was loaded we saw the other day before yesterday, or maybe it was yesterday? Yeah. There was 2 of them that went out while I was here and looked just like it.
You know, Tommy called me one day and said, I'm doing the first. What do you do? Been a couple of years ago. So what's that? Taking a train to the coal field. Full coal train. I said, what? What's going on? He said, every car is overloaded.
Huh.
So the railroad said, hell with it, send them back. Because I guess they were telling us, oh well, we'll take care of it. So they take care of it. 10 hours or something, they gave them time with it. They never did. They took the whole train back. So they had to put themselves. Took the whole train was overloaded.
What the? There's a UP coal car.
They're here all the time.
This is NS territory. Has been for the last 30 years. Yes, you might hear me say this why I post this on YouTube, but CSX is still the better company. And Burlington North Santa Fe.
Those cars right there are Duke Power.
So he came out west, or from out west?
I don't know.
It's probably that big ass coal mine somewhere in South Dakota or Iowa. Wherever that coal mine is out there.
Military train come through here yesterday. Stopped here, parked there for a long time.
Yeah.
Cool.
That signal down there was screwed up.
Yeah.
There's another UP. 2,
They don't have any
3.
things listed.
They don't.
Rode out Union Power.
And the other favorite railroad I like is Southern Pacific.
Not there anymore. Interested there.
That's right, because West Virginia's Union, right?
It's Indiana coal, if it is out west.
What's that?
West Virginia's Union,
What?
this state.
Unions are everywhere, yeah.
Yeah, this is Union. Because they left
grade?
because they left Virginia.
Virginia's union too.
Virginia was Southern.
Talking about unions as in labor unions.
No, in the war.
Oh, you're sitting in the South right here. This is not. This is South. You're south of the Mason-Dixon line right here. You're in the South. The Mason-Dixon line is the slaw line too. North of the Mason-Dixon line, there ain't no slaw. South of the Mason-Dixon line, there's slaw. Yeah, you're south of the Mason-Dixon line. Look at the Cerrito Town flag. The Cerrito Town flag is gray.
Yeah, but I thought West Virginia left them.
They did, but parts of West Virginia were still Confederate.
Yeah.
The Ramsdale House. Dickie Ramsdale.
Huh.
You got more peanuts?
I got peanuts, by the way. Peanuts.
What's this?
Wrong.
Oh, almonds, okay.
Peanuts?
No.
They're in the car there.
I was gonna say, it looked to me like you switched there. You ever have those with sugar and coffee on them?
No.
Pretty good. I don't like coffee, but I had some one day that they were dipped in sugar with ground coffee.
All I can use is salted. I ran across the deal on computer for a year probably on the street.
Because I know Kentucky's Southern. Ohio's Union.
Yep.
Because it's north of the Mason-Dixon line. Except I live in southern and east Ohio.
You know where West Virginia comes down and makes a line straight across?
Mm-hmm.
That's the Mason-Dixon line. Part of the state actually runs the Mason-Dixon line.
Oh, wow.
Is he coming around the corner?
Get down there, I guess, with coming around the road. Get the down there, so you can take it over. Get over.
You know, there